So you're trying to decide between Asana and Jira. And even though they both manage projects, tasks, and teamwork, they solve different problems. One is built to be adopted fast across the business, the other is built to control complex workflows. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. Asana is a work management platform that does its best work with cross functional planning, visual project views, and everyday business collaboration. Jira is a highly configurable tracking platform that shines with agile workflows, backlog management, and software teams that need more process control. First, ease of use. Asana feels cleaner from day one with list, board, calendar, and timeline views that make sense fast, while Jira usually asks you to learn projects, issues, workflow states, and admin logic before it feels comfortable. If your team hates training sessions, Asana is just less intimidating and faster to roll out across departments. Winner is Asana because non-technical teams can actually adopt it without turning setup into a project. Second, agile depth. Jira was built for Scrum boards, Kanban boards, backlog prioritization, sprint planning, issue tracking, releases, and detailed workflow states, and it still has the stronger native structure for engineering, product, and technical operations. Asana can absolutely manage product work, but it feels more like adapting a business tool to engineering than using a tool built around how dev teams already work. Winner is Jira, because software and product teams usually need that precision, not just a task list with extra steps. Third, cross functional planning and visibility. Asana does a better job connecting day to day work with goals, portfolios, dashboards, forms, custom fields, approvals, and status reporting, which is huge for launches, campaigns, PMO work, and requests coming from different teams. Jira has timeline and reporting options too, but its center of gravity is still tickets and workflows, not broader business coordination. Winner is Asana because business teams care about coordination, status, and intake just as much as execution. On pricing, Asana has a free plan, but it is really for one or two people, so most real teams will outgrow it quickly. Paid Asana starts at $10.99 per user per month, billed annually, or $13.49 monthly. And Asana Starter is the sweet spot because that is where timeline, forms, custom fields, universal reporting, and unlimited automation show up. Jira also has a free plan, and it includes core functionality. But the first paid tier is standard, and Atlassian uses progressive pricing based on team size, so there is not one simple flat starting number I can quote safely. Jira Free is also tighter on automation with 100 rule runs a month, so growing teams usually move up faster than they expect. If value matters, Jira Standard is usually the right stop for engineering teams, while Premium is more for advanced roadmaps, sandbox features, and heavier admin needs. Links in the description for current pricing. If you are a marketing team, operations team, creative team, or PMO that wants fast onboarding and clear visibility, pick Asana. If you are a product or engineering team running Scrum or Kanban, seriously, pick Jira. If you need goals, intake forms, approvals, and leadership level portfolio visibility, Asana is the better fit. If you need deeper permissions, issue level control, or you already live in Confluence and the Atlassian stack, Jira makes more sense. My pick for most businesses is Ana because it is easier to roll out, easier to learn, and strong enough for the majority of project workflows without a lot of admin overhead. But if your day revolves around backlog grooming, sprint planning, releases, and issue tracking, Jira is absolutely the better fit. Links in the description, like and subscribe if this helped.